Get ready to experience the rush. Introducing the next eMotorsport Forza Series, featuring the best racers from around the world as we bring you the excitement of the eMotorsport Porsche Carrera Cup.
Prepare to enter a world of high-speed thrills, heart-pumping action, and nail-biting competition. For the next 12 weeks, we'll be using the incredible power of Forza Motorsport 7 to simulate the experience of competing in the Porsche Carrera Cup on some of the most iconic tracks in the world. This is your chance to prove your skills, test your limits, and to push yourself to the very edge. The Porsche Carrera Cup is one of the most prestigious one-making racing series in the world, with a history that spans more than 3 decades. These incredible machines are built to deliver maximum speed and precision on the track with a lightweight chassis, advanced aerodynamics, and a powerful 6-cylinder engine that can produce up to 490 horsepower. And with tracks like Spa, Suzuka, Road Atlanta, Bathurst, and Daytona on the schedule, you'll face a range of challenges that will put your skills to the test. Each track presents its own unique obstacles, from the fast and flowing turns of Suzuka to the hairpin bends of Bathurst. But it's not just about the glory of winning. Racers will be fighting for trophies and cash prizes, with the top performers earning a share of the $250 prize pool. So not only will you have the chance to show off your skills, but you'll also have the chance to win big.
This is the ultimate in eMotorsport Championship, a 12-week series that's the pinnacle of virtual racing, and you have the chance to be a part of it. So what are you waiting for? Sign up and join the race for the podium. The world is watching. The stakes have never been higher. Are you ready to compete?